Okay, COE students, this is how we are going to turn stuff into Taskstream. You should have your class over here somewhere. Um, I have a ton of classes here as I administer a lot of classes in Taskstream. So we're just going to take a look at one. You'll have a lot of different classes on there that you're going to need to turn stuff in for different professors, instructors, and so forth. And they'll have stuff different ways. For this, I'm going to show you how to just turn in an assignment and a lesson plan. So we're just going to click on one here. When you click on your class that you have up there, you're going to see this type of stuff. So you're going to see general information. You probably have, you might have 2 artifacts, you might have 1, you might have 6. You know, it depends on the professor. So we're going to look at these 2. And I'm going to talk about my EME 2040 class. So my EME 2040 class, you have to turn in a group project and a lesson plan. So we're just going to pretend that Artifact 2 is your group project. So you're going to just turn in your individual PowerPoints. So I'm going to click on this, and there may or may not be directions. I'm doing it on video, so I'm giving you the directions. There should be an evaluation method, which is going to be a rubric. So, but these rubrics in Taskstream are really for more of administrative rubrics for the Department of Education and SACS and CAPE and all these other things. But if you click on here, you'll see that these are really more for teacher education in general, involving the class. It does have standards attached to it, and all these things. So that's you can look at that, but they really don't apply to you as much as they apply to the instructor or the faculty in the class and the College of Education assessment process. But you can look at them. Okay, so basically, you might have several things up here depending on what it is, but this is just going to be an attachment, and you're just going to attach just like you would emails or anything else. You're going to click on here. A document window is going to come up. Hopefully, you're going to hit upload from your computer, and I'm going to just drag a file here. This is an NK presentation, but it's there. I'm going to just hit start upload. It's going to upload it. And again, for my EME 2040 students, you're just going to put in your individual PowerPoint. I took it over and grabbed it. You can add files if you want to. I'm just going to hit upload and close. Now, this will come up. You're going to hit save and return. Now, you may think that, hey, I'm done. You're really not, because all you've done is uploaded this to the Taskstream website. You really haven't submitted it to the class yet. So when you hit save and return, it's going to say don't forget to submit. Okay, you have to submit your work. And so it's going to say, are you ready to submit your work? And you're going to say, okay, submit my work. Okay. So it actually didn't submit. So I'm going to hit submit again and hit yes, submit my work. When I do that, you'll print out a confirmation as well if you want to, so that you have documentation that you did indeed do it. So you can see now that it is submitted. Okay, this one was already submitted. Again, you're gonna have a group assignment. That's what you'll do for EME 2040. If you put the wrong one in, you can always cancel the submission and put the correct one in, and you can hit yes, cancel my subscription. You would hit edit work then, and you can hit delete selection. and then that will delete what you put in. Okay, but then you've got to do the attachment all over again and upload from computer. And click OK. Click attachment again. Upload from computer. Add file. Or I can drag it. In this case, I'm going to put in this one just for fun. Hit start upload again. And go through the same process. So now it's uploaded. I hit upload and close, save and return, and the same thing, submit your work. Yes, submit my work. Okay. And you can see the status is submitted. Okay, it is submitted. Okay. Now for your lesson plan that you've done in Taskstream, some professors may have a Word template or something else. You can do it that way, but if you've made your lesson plan in Taskstream, which I require the EME 2040 students to do, you would hit Edit Work, and here's the lesson plan. You're going to click Attachments again, but this time you're going to click on an artifact created in Taskstream. Okay, when you click on that, you're just going to select the category Lesson Plan, and you're going to select the work that you did. So, just for example, I'm going to say, okay, I did 4th grade geometry. Okay, and I'm going to click Add File. Or no, I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to hit Save and Return. Okay. And it says, are you ready to submit your work? Okay. And submit your work. Okay. So everything is submitted. So you submitted it. When I go in and look, I can see when you submitted it, what date you submitted it, what time you submitted it. Okay. So when I go in and look, again, it'll be there, and I can give you your evaluation on Taskstream. I don't require that you a Taskstream grade, but other professors will. They may have a grade attached to it. I just need to know you've done it. And so when I go in, I'll see submitted, submitted, submitted. So make sure to submit your work. Okay, it should look exactly like this. Submitted, submitted. Okay. So if you have any questions, call us. We will help you. Okay. Call or email.